In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Google Sites in a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to get more insights into your site traffic or want to optimize your content, getting started with Google Analytics can provide you with the data you need to make informed decisions. Let's dive right into the process. To begin with, go ahead and navigate to the Google Analytics website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to analytics.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to log in first. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Google Analytics. Next, look towards the lower left corner of the screen to find the admin button and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings of your account. Now that you're in the admin section, focus on the middle column. Here, you'll need to click on the option that says Data Collection and Modification. This option allows you to create and manage data streams, which is what we need to connect analytics to your Google site. Once you're on the data collection page, the next thing to do is select Data Streams. Clicking on Data Streams will display all the types of data inputs that you can manage. If you've already created a web data stream, you should see it listed here. Simply click on your current web data stream to proceed. Now here's an essential step. Under the section labeled Measurement ID, you'll see a copy icon. Click on this icon to copy your unique measurement ID. You'll need this ID to link your Google site with analytics, so keep it handy. With your measurement ID copied, it's time to head over to your Google site. Open a new tab in your browser, go to sites.google.com and navigate to the Google site you wish to connect with analytics. Once you're on your Google site, locate the settings gear icon, which you'll usually find at the top of the screen, and click on it to enter the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Analytics. Click on this option and a field will appear asking for your analytics measurement ID. Here's where you can paste the ID you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the provided field. This ID is crucial because it connects your site to Google Analytics, enabling data to flow between the two platforms seamlessly, and there you have it, you've successfully added Google Analytics to your Google site. By following these steps, you're now set to start collecting valuable data on visitor interactions, allowing you to monitor, analyze, and enhance your site's performance efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore your Google Analytics dashboard to explore all the new insights at your disposal.